What's up, everyone? It's Lens Addict here, and today we have the AirPods Pro Generation 2. And what we're going to do is we're going to unbox and compare them with the original AirPods Pro and see if it's really worth upgrading and what the differences are in real-world use. So let's get started with the unboxing and then we'll compare. So here we have the Generation 2 AirPods, and let's get them out of the box. Very similar packaging to the original AirPods, but yeah, here's the manual, all that stuff. One cool feature is you can now charge the AirPods Pro on a MagSafe as well as Apple Watch, so that's nice. And then we got some more manual stuff, no Apple stickers. All right, let's get a look at the product itself. Here they are. Much shinier than the original case, but I think they actually look the same. The case, other than this one was made in Vietnam and this one's made in China. As you can see, they have a few extra holes here for the sound when you want to find it. And that's it. There's a little lanyard loop, but no major changes here. Also see a little piece of plastic. And the AirPods made a sound when I opened the case. The case feels different. The AirPods look a little bit different as well. Let's look at what else we got in the box before we compare them. We got a Lightning to USB-C cable, very nice. And we have some additional ear tips. There's a few more than the other one. There's an extra small now. Nice to see. Do the chips of the new AirPods Pro fit on the old AirPods? Let's find out. Well, they do fit on. They clip in. Apple quotes, or Apple says that they don't, but it looks like they do. Now we'll do a little listening test. So I've got we'll start off with the AirPods 2 because I listen to these all the time. So there's no point in me putting these in and being like, oh, this is what they sound like, because I used them for like years. So we'll start off with the AirPods 2, and this is my first time listening to them. So this will be first impressions. Here we go. All right, so they feel the same in the ear, to be honest. Maybe slightly better fit, but it's probably because the earbuds are new. The noise cancellation is definitely stronger. It's almost unnervingly strong because I'm struggling to hear myself speak, so it's making it hard to record this for you guys. All right, so we'll play some music. We're going to use Apple Music, and we'll do some lossless music on Apple Music, so that's truly a good test. So we'll start off with Walking on Air by Katy Perry. And that's in Dolby Atmos, I believe. So let's go. Wow. It sounds wider, like a wider soundstage. but the treble and the bass sounds similar. They sound good. The old AirPods are no slouch. I'm gonna listen to something with more bass. This song. I don't think there's a huge difference in the actual audio quality, in my opinion. It is better. It is better, but it's not worth upgrading, in my opinion, if you got the old AirPods. It is better though, you can tell. Gonna listen to another song. So I've noticed non-Dolby Atmos music seems to have a wider soundstage, and I can't tell if it's software or something else, but it does appear to be wider. The other really cool feature is the ability to charge the AirPods using the MagSafe, the Apple Watch charger. I don't even know if it's called MagSafe, but I don't know. There's so many Apple Watch charger names. MagSafe for the phone, MagSafe for the laptop now, the USB-C, Lightning. Then you just get traditional wireless charging. Anyway, then you got AirPower, which never launched. Anyway, this is a whole different tangent. All right, so in conclusion, if you have lots of money and you want the best, latest and greatest, the AirPods Pro 2 are really nice. They're really good. I really like them and they're lovely. But if you don't have a big budget, you want to save money, you might want to spend $200 instead of $400, that's how much they cost in Australia, then the old AirPod Pros go on sale still quite a bit. And if you want to get them even cheaper, you can get them used. So then these are still good. These are no slouch, still good. But this is lacking the ability to be found when the AirPods aren't in the case. So if you lose the case without the AirPods in it, you can't find it. The Find My sound is really quiet, so it's hard to find them when the case is in the case and they're shut. You don't get the MagSafe charging, you don't get the little lanyard loop, and you don't get volume control on the side, which you do get with these ones. So yeah, there's a few things there. The noise cancelling is a lot better, but it's almost unnervingly better. So it's up to you if you like that. I guess you got to try and see. Anyway, if you guys have any questions other than what hasn't been covered or about what has been covered, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to answer it. And give it a like if you liked it, dislike if you disliked it, and subscribe if you like this content and you want to see more. Hope you all have a good day. See you all in the next video. Lens Addict out.